Hey guys, so the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold is finally official. Yeah, the Mix series is finally back, but this time in a new form factor. So as the name says, the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold is a tablet phone, something similar to the Samsung Z Fold 2. Now specifications are really exciting and so is the new software features. So the Mix Fold comes with a massive 8-inch display and a 6.52-inch front panel. There's a tiny punch hole which contains a 20 megapixel selfie shooter on front, which is fine cause you do get a full screen display when unfold. So you play games, you watch movies, it's gonna be more fun for sure, no interruptions whatsoever. Xiaomi is using a 2K panel for tablet size display, and shocking part is the front screen is 90Hz but no high refresh rate for the huge display inside, which is quite disappointing because you're gonna play games in a large display and not on the tiny front screen, so this thing you should note. Xiaomi says the design they are using is sturdy and has been tested, and in addition to this, Xiaomi has added large vapor chamber, which means a large cooling system inside. Yeah, it's the first gen product, so they are confirming no issues like what we saw in Samsung first gen Galaxy Fold. The real innovation comes in the camera department cause Xiaomi is using their own Surge ISP. The main sensor is Samsung HM2, which can shoot some nice images. Xiaomi has also done some software changes to make colors and details accurate than ever. Then we have a super wide angle lens and finally liquid lens which can focus like a human eye, 30x telephoto zoom and macro inside together. Xiaomi says this is our first step towards this innovation, so yeah, let's see how it performs. Now in MIUI, Xiaomi has added tons of animations and new modes like split screen, multi-screen drag, parallel windows and desktop mode, which works really fine as seen in this video. Finally, the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold comes with quad speakers to give an amazing experience for those who watch movies or play games, and this all with Snapdragon 888 5G on top makes it an alternate flagship, which is, you can say, the future we are heading towards. So a decent specifications and the pricing is 9,999 yuan, which is quite expensive for a Xiaomi product. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.